Hey guys, this is my first video I'm making in YouTube. This is my first video, and today I see like people making slime with soap and salt. I don't know how I make it, but so I didn't bring salt, so I had to go pause again. Go and bring salt, but like I have 5 pumps. But okay. There you go. Okay. I'm not gonna show my face because I don't actually show my face that much, but I do show my face because I okay. That's also a dishwasher slime right there, and this is like is starting to come to slime. So I use a different type of soap. Which means yes, so you don't want bubbles. They see you need bubbles. This much. Let me just go and get my salt. See you in 5 minutes. Okay guys, I already got my salt. I'm just gonna just mix it up. Just gonna mix it up first. Take a pinch. I use this much. Put it on the blue. Mix it. Oh my god, I don't know, but it smells like salt in here. So, but I put this in the fridge. Put this back. And it's gonna take 1 second. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna go now. I'm gonna take it in like 5 minutes, I think. Okay, I'm back from went, but I'm gonna go and keep you in the fridge so you take everything. I'm gonna keep you guys in the fridge and then you take anything like how does the slime work. I'm serious. Tell me how it feels in there. At least a few minutes, I'll come back. I told you it was just a few minutes. Okay, how does my slime work? Leave it in the comments. How does slime work? It's kind of bubbly. If you can see there, it's kind of bubbly. That's every time they work. Okay, let's mix it. Look, it's like. Okay. Okay, then this make it work on a fail or a meal. Meal means okay, fail means it'll fail, and gray means nobody can do it. Okay. Oh my god! Let's into my hands. It's a Pokeball. It just gives me this much. It gives Pokeball. This much. This much. So good, but for the consistency, it's kind of sticky and oily. I don't know how you the world such people get this method. It sucks. Put some on my hands. I'm giving this slime a 9 out of 10. I think I should put more colors because it's really less. I think sun makes the jiggliness and salt makes the ferment. Now it's working better, and I give this like a 3 out of 10. It's not that good like the size. You can just put it down, just poke it like this. No, it's not like that. It's different. But I will give you like a good 9 out of 10. So it's really close. You can poke it in the bowl. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Please, I'm just 9 years old here, so I'm not just a demigod of something that I just left subscribe. Like, so please get this 100,000 likes, please, and be my friend, please, and give this video a ginormous thumbs up in the universe of game. And thank you so much for watching my video. So see you next time. Bye.